In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone stuck on SOS or SOS Only. Let's get started. First, launch your control center, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, and then disable it. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the network. If that does not work, check whether your VPN is enabled. For that, launch Settings, go to General. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find the option VPN and Device Management. Click on that. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Next, try moving to an area with better signal, especially if you are in a basement, elevator, parking garage, or a new location where signal may be weak. If the issue continues, reset your network settings. For that, head back. Scroll down and navigate to the option Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This will not delete your data but will refresh all network and VPN settings. If that still does not fix the problem, first restart your iPhone by quickly pressing volume up then volume down and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.